Hi, I'm Dr. Rochelle Miller. I founded Rochelle's Boutique in 2001. Today is Rochelle Beauty Boutique. And I'm very proud to announce that I'm launching my new palette in my collection, which is the Glow Kit. This is the Shining palette. As you can see my face, and I hope you buy and enjoy as I am doing. I'm getting crazy with this palette. Every single day I can't just stop myself. Today I use this one, the rose gold, with the white one, which is very highly pigmented in the inner corner of my eyes, as you can see, and you're gonna see the video where I demonstrate how to use this palette. But we have the gold darker right here. I love this one. I can contouring also, put it over my contour, and it's gonna give me a bright contouring, of course. And then you have the light gold in this side, which is the real gold. This is raw gold, and dark gold. I will come up with names later on, who knows, but for now doesn't have a name. And the palette of course have a name, which is Rochelle Beauty Highlighter Glow Kit, but the colors doesn't have name. It's just as is, as you can see, and the quality is highly pigmented. I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills thumbs up, is highly pigmented as Anastasia Beverly Hills. So from now on you're gonna see the emotion when I receive this shipment, and I open the first shipment, the first box, and I start getting excited. They send me a sample of my future liquid lipstick that I'm gonna be launching. I am picking colors. I am in the process of picking colors for that, but for now just enjoy this video. Thank you and keep watching. Thumbs up and subscribe. Alright, I'm ready. I cut everything and open. Here is the other side. Ooh, oh no, this was like that. This is different. This was only like that. But here is the other piece of the other corner. This one, for one reason, I don't know how they packing this, but this one was together with this one, so don't have like this side. I don't know. It's a different box. And I was playing with my nails, so that's why you only see one nail. I'm gonna finish today the rest. Here it is. So sorry for my nails, okay? I'm gonna finish today, but I just don't have much time. What? Oh my gosh, they gave me a sample for my new product. Let's see what they sent me. Oh, I think it's because I told her that I'm interested also to create my lipstick. This is fantastic.
So it's our only mom that we have left, and so we kind of had to trust the advice of the doctors and kind of
fear. It was almost amazing that the minute where I was at this time, I was had that strength of knowing.
Thank you and keep watching. Thumbs up and subscribe.